Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you about covalent bond. What do you mean by covalent bond? A chemical bond formed between two atoms by mutual sharing of electrons between them so as to complete their octets or doublets is known as covalent bond. And the number of electrons contributed by each atom is known as covalency. For example, formation of Cl2. Here you can see that both the chlorine atoms getting stability through sharing then form Cl2. In covalent bonding, the shared pair of electrons present between the atoms are called bond pairs, while unshared pairs or non-bonding electron pairs are known as lone pairs. Let's see the picture again. Here, the shared electrons between two chlorine atoms is called bond pair, and the non-shared electron, that is non-bonding electrons present above chlorine atoms are called lone pair. How many bond pairs are present here? One bond pair between two chlorine atom, because one pair is only sharing for bonding. And how many lone pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lone pairs. 6 lone pairs are present on two chlorine atoms. Okay, this is about bond pair and lone pair. Here both the chlorine atom is getting stability through sharing of electrons. In covalent compounds, two atoms share one electron pair. They are said to be joined by single covalent bond. If two atoms share two pairs of electrons, the covalent bond between them is called a double bond. For example, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, between carbon and oxygen share two pairs of electrons for getting stability. So carbon dioxide form double bond. Another example for double bond is ethene molecule, CH2 double bond CH2. In ethene, between carbon and carbon, two pairs of electrons are shared and form double bond. But between carbon and hydrogen, one pair of electrons shared and form single bond. So carbon form double bond and carbon hydrogen form single bond in ethene molecule. If two atoms share three pairs of electrons, the covalent bond between them is called a triple bond. One of the best example of triple bond molecule is nitrogen molecule. In nitrogen, two nitrogen atoms are shared by using three pairs of electrons. So nitrogen form triple bond. Another example is ethine, CH triple bond CH. In ethine, two carbon atoms share three pair of electrons. So between carbon and carbon form triple bond. In ethine, carbon and hydrogen share one pair of electrons, so C and H form single bond. Polar covalent bond. If a covalent bond is formed between the different atoms, the shared pair is displaced towards the more electronegative atom, causing greater concentration of electron density around the more electronegative atom. Such a covalent bond develops some ionic character and is called polar covalent bond. For example, HCl molecule. HCl is an example of covalent compounds. H and Cl getting stability through sharing of electrons. In HCl, chlorine is highly electronegative compared to hydrogen. Due to this reason, chlorine attracts the shared pair of electrons towards chlorine. So, chlorine acquire a partial negative charge and hydrogen acquire a partial positive charge. Here develops some ionic character in HCl bond. Like this nature is called polar nature, and like this covalent bonds are called polar covalent bond and compounds are called polar covalent compounds. Properties of covalent compounds. Covalent compounds have low melting and boiling points. Covalent compounds are generally poor conductors of electricity because they do not contain free electrons or ions to conduct electricity. They are soluble in nonpolar solvents like benzene but usually insoluble in water.